Welcome! In front of me I have ASUS VivoWatch BP and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on this watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Health Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Health Connect application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In the settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see your ASUS VivoWatch BP on the list of my devices. Once you find it, tap on the info icon next to it. Here you should see an option called Sense or Share System Notifications. For some reason it's not here, so let's open the application quickly. Tap on Device, and if you don't have required permissions allowed, you will see this pop-up. Tap on the Allow, and now we can go back to the Bluetooth settings, and this option should be right here. So once you see this option, Share System Notifications, make sure it's enabled. Once it is enabled, you can go back to the main page of settings, scroll down, find the Vivo Health application on the list of apps. It's gonna be on ASUS, I believe. Or not. Should be somewhere on the list. Maybe H? Yes, it's H, so Health Connect. Okay, I found it. And once you find it, make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. You can also enable the notifications, but this one is not required. Okay, and at this point, you can open the application. Tap on the device. Here tap on notification. And here we can enable and disable the notifications. We have vibration, if you disable this option or enable it. Or rather, if you enable it, your watch will vibrate when you receive the notification. If you disable it, it won't. Next we have incoming call, and if you enable this option, you will receive the notifications about incoming calls on your watch. And next we have messages, and then we can also enable the notifications for movement reminder and target achievement. And once you're done, you should be able to receive the notifications on your iPhone, rather on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself an Discord message. And we got the notification on our iPhone and also on our watch. Sometimes it takes longer for the watch to update the settings, so I recommend to open the app and let it reconnect with your iPhone, and after a couple of seconds you should receive the notifications on your watch. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android, or rather on the iPhone, my bad. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.